Hi everyone, I hope you are having a good day today and welcome back to my another video. On this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to get software update iPadOS 16 on all iPad. Apple has officially given iPadOS 16 a release date. So here, I will guide you to update it on your iPad. Please check this out. First, go to your Safari browser. Then type beta iPadOS 16. And click Apple official website. Then sign in with your Apple ID. This is Apple official website, so don't worry about your Apple ID. This is safe. Click Enroll your device on top menu. Select iPadOS. Scroll down and click Download Profile. After download, please go to the settings and install iPadOS 16 profile. Type your passcode. Click Install. And restart your iPad. Please wait. Then go to the settings again. Software update. Before complete the tutorial, I will share you a TenorShare product. TenorShare Raybot is best free iPhone or iPad recovery tool and repair your iOS and iPadOS system. You can upgrade and downgrade the iPadOS without iTunes. Then you can fix with a various issues. You can fix update problem if your iPads cannot update to iPadOS 16. Click Start. Then select iOS update problem, or you can fix your all issues listed below. Easy to use, even beginner use this tool. Okay, go back to tutorial. On software update, you will see iPadOS 16 here. You can click download and install. You have connected to Wi-Fi before installing this iPadOS 16. Okay, thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel for more updates and see you on the next tutorial. Thank you.